Hi, everybody. It's Laura Fisk, your Norwick's independent consultant, and I am here for another installment of What Can I Clean in 5 minutes or less? So I apologize for being dirty, but I have been working on a project. We've actually been working on a couple of projects. My husband and son did the front sidewalk, and I am doing a very small sidewalk that leads into the backyard. It's been a lot of work. I'm really dirty and I'm getting ready to clean up. But what I was excited to show you today is this. One of the worst things I hate when I'm working in the yard is when I get dirt underneath my nails. I'm sure you can see that. This one's probably a better example. Yeah, I hate it. Even with gloves on, gloves wear down over time and you're still getting that dirt under your nails. And I've tried all kinds of brushes and all kinds of things to try to get that out of there. And it's really difficult. So I have something that you can clean in 5 minutes or less, which is the dirt under your nails. And what we're going to use is the utility brush with the little nub. So check it out and see what you think. All right, so once again, I'm cleaning my nails. They're really disgusting and dirty. So I am going to, first I'm going to scrub them with the utility brush to get some of that dirt out of there. And I like to scrub the tops too because those can get really dirty. I'll scrub the other one. So this is where I always run into a problem. It doesn't matter how much I use a scrub brush, that stuff doesn't come out. It just doesn't. I mean, I will sit here and pick at it with my nails until I get it out from each one. But that is where the rubber tip of your utility brush comes in handy. If you are a gardener, if you work outside at all, you're going to love this. So I am going to take that little rubber scrub. I'm going to run it underneath my nail. The dirt's gone. I'm going to take that and rub that under my nail. Ugh. This one's a tough one. This one wants to be tough. But I am not going to let that stop me. And I'm going to do that one. And sometimes you just have to find the right angle to get in at it. But it does, I mean, I don't know if you can see the dirt coming off on there. It's really, I love this because I struggle with this. I am an avid gardener. I love to be outside with my hands in the dirt. I don't care how many pairs of gloves I own, I always get dirt under my nails. And this cleans my nails beautifully. Look, they're clean. I'm going to do the other hand and then I'll touch back with you. All right, so I am done washing my hands. That took me less than 5 minutes, not only to wash my hands, but also to get the dirt out from underneath my nails. I absolutely love it. This is something I struggle with. I am an avid gardener. So all I used was the utility brush. I can use the scrubbing side to scrub the tops of my nails and get the dirt off there. And I used the rubber tip to get in the little space between my finger and my nail. And I was able to get all that dirt out. This tool is amazing. I love this. I've been using it for other things as well, like cleaning grout with this side or getting into the space between my range and my countertop with the little tool to get any little dirt that's accumulated in there. It's absolutely amazing. So if you were to purchase this, the cost is $12.99. However, you could also consider hosting a party, and with the dollars that you earn, you could purchase this, so it would end up being free for you. One last thing to consider is that we are doing the virtual kit sign up for consultants this month. It's not something that's done very often, but it's a great deal. It's $19.99. You would not receive the virtual kit unless you chose to try to achieve the $1,000 in sales in 30 days or $2,000 in sales in 90 days. That's up to you. However, if you really don't need the starter kit, you can sign up for $19.99 and you can immediately start using your 35% discount. So the cost for me to buy this as a consultant is $8.44, which is a great price. Whatever you decide to do, I hope you found this helpful today. I am going to go take a shower. I am disgusting after working out in the yard for about an hour. But I hope that this was informative, and I hope you guys have a great evening. Talk to you later. Bye.